This is how you play the Group 4 minor 5-finger patterns and broken block chords. Since our Group 4 keys are kind of our miscellaneous keys, B flat, B, and F sharp, it's best to use the whole step, half step pattern to find their majors before we start to find their minors. So to use that pattern, you're going to start on your starting note. The first one we're going to do is B flat. You'll go up a whole step, so up to the next key and then up to the very next one, so there's one key in between. Another whole step, so up the next note, up the next note, so there's one key in between. A half step, so the very next key, and then another whole step, so up one key up to the very next key, so there's one key in between. So again, you start the note and then go up a whole step, half step, whole step. Let's play the major first. So get your fingers to match the black key at the beginning, the two white keys, and then the black key E flat is the fourth note, and then a white key at the top. 1 and 2 and ready and go. Now to make this major minor, we're just going to take the third note and lower it a half step. So 1, 2, 3, that's D. When we lower it a half step to the very next left key, it becomes a D flat. So now we have 3 black keys. So remember that B flat, as you're getting your hands placed, has 3 black keys. The first note, the third note, and the fourth note. Let's say our note names. 1, 2, ready, say your note names. B flat, C, D flat, E flat, F, E flat, D flat, C, B flat, skip to D flat, skip to F, skip to D flat, skip to B flat. Now play all of them together. Let's put that with the metronome now, just to see if we're exam ready. Place the keys. Remember, first, third, and fourth are black keys. 1, take, 2, take, 3, take, go, take. Let's go to our next key in the Group 4, which is B. First, let's find the major by using the whole step, half step pattern. So start on B, and then use the pattern. Whole step, half step, whole step. So we can see that this one has 3 black keys. It's the second, third, and fifth note. So let's get our hands placed. Start on a white key, and then the next 2 are black keys. Go to a white key, and next one's a black key. And get your other hand to match. And let's do the major. 1 and 2 and 3 and go. Now, to get it to be minor, we're going to take the third note, 1, 2, 3, which is D sharp, and lower it a half step. So go 1 key to the left. And that lowers it to white key D. So we can see B minor has 2 black keys, the second note and the fifth note. That's C sharp and F sharp. So let's get our hands placed. You can either match it to this or place it for major, and then just take your 3-finger and lower it a half step. But let's say our note names for minor. 1, 2, ready, say your note names. B, C sharp, D, E, F sharp, E, D, C sharp, B, skip to D, skip to F sharp, skip to D, skip to B, then play them all together. Now let's see if we can play that with the metronome to see how exam ready we are. Get those hands placed. Remember, for B minor, the 2nd note and the 5th note are black keys. 1, take, 2, take, 3, take, go, take. Let's go to our last key in group 4, which is F sharp or G flat. So we can get to it by going F up a half step to F sharp or G down a half step to G flat, but it's the same black key. Let's find our major first by using the whole step, half step pattern. So there's our starting note. Now we can use our whole step, half step pattern. So whole, half, whole. And we can see it's all black keys except for white key B. So go ahead and get your hands to match. And let's play the major first. 1 and 2 and 3 and go. And now to change to minor, we take our 3rd note and lower it a half step. So A sharp goes down to the next white key, which is A. So we can see that F sharp minor has 3 black keys and 2 white keys. So the black keys are the 1st, the 2nd, and the 5th. So go ahead and place the 1st, 2nd, and 5th notes on black keys. And then you've got white keys A and B. Get your right hand to match. And let's play and say our note names. 1, 2, ready. Play and say F sharp, G sharp, A, B, C sharp, B, A, G sharp, F sharp, skip to A, skip to C sharp, skip to A, skip to F sharp, then play them all together. Now let's turn on the metronome. Place those again. Remember, 1st, 2nd, and 5th are black keys and F sharp minor. See how exam ready we are. 1, take, 2, take, 3, take, go, take.